5 Secret Tactics to Increase Sales with Video Content. 1. Create a YouTube channel. If you're not currently using any videos to promote your company, creating a YouTube channel is the first step. Here's why. Once you add videos to YouTube, it's easy to share them on other platforms. Whether you're embedding the video into your website or just sending a link, the YouTube platform makes it simple to accomplish this. As you'll see shortly, you're going to distribute your videos across lots of different platforms. Uploading all your content to YouTube first will help save you time because you won't need to make the same video more than once. Let's look at an example so you can see what I'm talking about. 2. Post videos on social media. Even if you're not currently using videos, I'll assume you have active social media profiles. Use them to their full potential. You should be posting on social media every day. This will keep your brand fresh in the minds of your followers. The reason why so many companies don't always post on social media is because they don't know what to share. Well, if you're adding new videos to your YouTube channel, social media is the perfect platform to share your new content. Most social media platforms have their own software to create and publish video content, but we'll get to that shortly. For now, just try to focus on getting all your YouTube videos onto your Facebook and Twitter profiles. 3. Add more videos to your website. What's the first thing people see when they visit your website? Too many words on the page can be confusing and unappealing. You shouldn't have lots of long paragraphs explaining how your company operates. Nobody wants to read that. Instead, simplify the design and color schemes. Replace all of it with a video message. Square uses this tactic to explain how the products work. 4. Go live on Facebook. I love it when businesses use Facebook Live as a promotional method. It's one of the best ways you can engage with your Facebook followers in real time. But there's science behind it. You don't want to just go live randomly for no rhyme or reason. Instead, you should schedule your live streams to run at a set time every week. That way, you can continue building a regular audience. Think about your favorite TV shows. They are on at the same day and time every week. If they just came on sporadically, it's unlikely you'd be able to catch every episode. That's the kind of following you're trying to create here with your live video streams. Encourage customers to make their own videos. Not all your video content needs to be produced by you. Try to get your customers involved. You'll accomplish a few things with this method. You'll get videos free, and it won't take any of your time. It'll enhance the customer experience. You'll get more brand exposure if your customers share their videos. 5. Email videos to your subscribers. Remember earlier I said we could use the videos from your YouTube channel on multiple platforms? Well, here's another chance to share those videos with your customers. Look to your email subscription list. Those people may or not be following you on social media, so it's not a guarantee they'll see your live streams or other shared videos. But you have direct access to their inboxes.